Look at all the amazing things I found at Joann. They have their fall and their Halloween decor at the moment. Right now, I'm at the greenery section where the wreaths and the garlands are, and they're very beautiful. I mean, for fall decor, you can always go to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, at home, and you're gonna find the fall decor. They're also gonna have the Halloween decor, but here at Joann, they have the most beautiful, unique Halloween decor. I wanted to buy everything. I didn't mention they're 40% off at the moment. I mean, everything was gorgeous. Everything, the lighting, the ornaments, I mean, the creatures, everything was so beautiful. Look at all this stuff. I wanted to buy everything. I wanted to take everything home. Look at the hand towels. All these are so cute. But these, the pumpkins, you can also find them at Hobby Lobby, definitely. Look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh, the Halloween decor. You're gonna be so excited about all this. This is for crafting. Look at the lighting. I mean, I haven't seen any of this anywhere else. They have a lot of selection. And the prices are great, 40% off. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Well, that was my favorite. Look at the potion bottles. I do have an apothecary collection that I do myself, but I love these ones right here. Oh, look at the ornaments. The Halloween trees, they're so adorable. I'm not a big fan of Halloween trees, but I mean, if you are, they have a great selection here of lighting. The sewing machines, they're so popular right now. And I also noticed from Michael's and everywhere else that they have neon colors for Halloween this year. They're very popular right now. But here at Joann, oh my gosh, I loved everything. I know I've said that so many times, but I was so amazed by everything I saw. Look at all the skeleton creatures. They're so unique. They have planters. Oh, this skull was my favorite as well. Everything was my favorite, right? So look at all that. The glass pumpkins. I saw a purple glass pumpkin that had lighting in it. I think it's somewhere around here. Oh, look at all the witchy zodiac stuff. Look at that mirror. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. Oh, look at that. I mean, I've seen this video over and over and I still get amazed. Oh, that's the purple pumpkin I was talking about. Very lovely. I think I'll be getting that for my daughter. Look at all the cups. Oh, they're so beautiful. This planter, it was amazing. The ghosts, they have lights. The kitchen towels, they're very cute. I love the color. The gnomes, I mean, these have been popular for years, right? And look at all this. I mean, statues. They're skeletons having fun, I guess. Some of them are in their laptops. Some of them have their guitar, reading, relaxing. Oh, this pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at all that cute stuff. Oh, this is a party section where you can get your paper plates, your napkins. Absolutely lovely. Oh, this pumpkin. I love this pumpkin so much. It has lights and it was very, very cute and it was huge as well. Again, 40% off. The blankets, the pillows, the garden stuff. They have Halloween garden decor. That's amazing. That's very, very cute. Oh, this one was my favorite too. I love it. When it comes to Halloween, I love all the witch stuff. Absolutely amazing. Look at all the selections for little blankets. They're like throw blankets that you can add on your couch and your sofas. The skulls, the scarecrows. Very cute. Look at all the skull selections. Oh, the sewing machines, super popular. They look very vintage. The little villages. Look at all the colors, the selection. They have all the boots. Oh my gosh. I need to go back and get this. At that moment, I was in a hurry. I couldn't buy anything. I just had to leave. But I didn't want to leave without recording all these amazing things. But I'm going to go back for those boots, definitely. Oh, look at all these pumpkins. They're glass pumpkins. I love them. I love the white and black and orange together. They have a lot of purples also when it comes to the witchy stuff, which I mean I like, but I'm not in love with the purple lilac situation. But they're very cute. Get all the kitchen towels. You're gonna love everything. I'm a Halloween lover, I think probably more than Christmas. So to me, this was amazing. I was in awe with everything. I'm so excited for Halloween. I mean, I know it's around the corner. I know it's still July and it's pretty hot out there, but I'm still very excited. Look at all, oh my gosh, the apothecary sign. I forgot about that one. Look at all the art decor that you can hang. Oh, the pillows. I love that. I'm definitely going back to buy some things from there. And all these crafting things. I think you can paint those. Oh, look at the witch's broom. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'll buy that one as well. Look at this squirrel. Oh, these were candles. These are beautiful candles. Very well made. They're like skeletons with their spine. They have ivory color and black. Little cauldrons. All the glassware. The drinking. Oh my gosh. That's glow in the night. Wow. I love everything. I hope you like it too. Go to Joann. You're gonna love it. Please